Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Notre-Dame-des-Pins is a small parish municipality in the Beauce region of Quebec, with a population of about 1,900 people. It is located between St. George's and Beauceville, and its history is tied to farming, forestry, and the growth of small local industry. The municipality was founded in the 1920s under the name Notre-Dame-de-Providence. It was created from lands that came from Beauceville and St. George's, as local families wanted a community of their own. The name was later changed to Notre-Dame-des-Pins, which became the name people know today. In the early years, the area was mostly rural. Farming and forestry shaped daily life, and the parish church was an important part of the community. Like many towns in Quebec, the first buildings and institutions were centered on religion, local work, and the needs of residents living close to the land. A notable landmark here is the Pont-Perrot-covered bridge, which is often mentioned as a local symbol. It is a historic wooden structure built in 1928 that spans the Chaudière River. At approximately 154 meters long, it holds the title of the longest covered bridge in the province. The bridge is a reminder of the region's older transportation routes and the practical wood construction that was common in rural Quebec. Another important historical building is the local parish church, which reflects the strong religious roots of the community. Along with older homes and traditional rural buildings, it helps show how the municipality developed over time. These places do not just mark the past, they also give the town its character today. A major change came in the early 1940s when the first local industrial business was established. The Menuisier des Pins began making doors and windows and brought new jobs to the area. That was an important step because it moved the local economy beyond farming and forestry and gave the municipality a stronger industrial base. Over time, other businesses appeared, including sawmills and small workshops. That kind of growth was typical in the Beauce region, where local people often built businesses around practical needs and local resources. Notre-Dame-des-Pins followed that pattern and developed in a steady, local way. Today, the municipality remains small, but it continues to hold an important place in the region. Its population has grown gradually, and it keeps a quiet, rural character that reflects its history. The combination of the covered bridge, the parish traditions, and the early industrial sites makes it a simple but interesting place to learn about in the Beauce. watching.